And so I got another one on what's done wrong, and this is sort of fascinating. This is from the New York Times. Supreme Court Linkrot. So on Supreme Court websites, 49% of the links in Supreme Court decisions on their websites don't work. They're broken. Since 1996, though, justices have been citing material found on the internet 555 times, the study found. This is particularly important because it's the body of law. We have common law in this country. We cite precedents, and if they're linking to information regarding precedents, then not just the links are broken, but the law is broken because we need to research the precedent to determine what the law is. Fortunately, though, there are some solutions. The United States Court of Appeal for the Ninth Circuit in San Francisco is working on a model that would maintain an electronic archive of what it calls websites with a CITES in PDF format. That's a little cumbersome, I think. And then there's a Perma.cc, a platform for legal scholarship that's run by a consortium of law libraries and allows writers and editors to capture and fix transient information on the web with a new permanent link. So hopefully that will solve it.
Better late than never, you know?
Yeah.
I have another bad one. Do you have one, Albert?
I do. I'm glad I'm going to be 55 in December because one of the best books I read in high school was Orwell's 1984. And your comment about the Supreme Court reminds me of its lead character, Winston Smith, who would go and delete historical references out of everything, right? So,
Right.
That's one way to rewrite the law.
That is.
This is the end of our Beyond podcast, Beyond Social Media podcast. Let me tell you where you can follow us. David is at e-strategyblog.com. The Daily Numbers is the Daily Numbers on Twitter. And D. Erickson on Twitter. B.L. Ockman, she writes for Ad Age. She's at whatsnextblog.com. And she's on Twitter at whatsnext. And I'm at providentpartners.net and on Twitter as Albert Marugi. Subscribe, put comments in our YouTube channel, and check our Beyond Social Media Show Google Plus page. Till next week, have a great week.